This is 60 business ideas in 60 days. Today we are talking about starting a restaurant or cafe in the UAE. The country's thriving hospitality scene, strong tourism, and multicultural population makes this one of the most exciting business sectors to enter. Under this license, you can offer full-service restaurant operations including dine-in, takeaway and catering, cafe or coffee shop services serving hot and cold beverages, snacks and light meals, specialty outlets like bakeries, dessert bars, juice corners or ethnic cuisine concepts, catering and delivery services either in-house or via third-party apps, cloud kitchens or dark kitchens operating online without dining facilities, franchise operations running global or regional restaurant brands. Let's talk about where to set up. If you want to serve walk-in customers, open multiple branches, or participate in local tenders, Mainland is the best choice. Dubai DET handles licensing and you'll need food safety approval from Dubai Municipality. Mainland is ideal for physical restaurants, cafes, and franchise chains serving the local market. If you're focusing on delivery-only kitchens, central food production, or online-based franchises, free zone are a more cost-effective option. Free zones are great for low-cost setups and 100% foreign ownership. Remember, you can't serve walk-in customers on the mainland without working through a local distributor or delivery app. Because restaurants and cafes involve food handling, multiple approvals are required. You'll need Food Control Department approval for kitchen layout and hygiene, Civil Defense approval for fire safety and ventilation, HRE or tenancy contract for the licensed location, staff food safety and handling certifications, environmental health and safety approval for waste management, additional approval for shisha cafes, liquor services or outdoor seating if applicable. Opening a business bank account is straightforward, but banks classify F&B business as moderate risk because of cash flow and supplier transactions. They want to see food safety approval from the municipality, business plan detailing your operations, whether dine-in, delivery or franchise, supplier and equipment contracts, lease agreement for your restaurant or cafe premises, menu and pricing structure. Here's your game plan. Choose your jurisdiction, select your business activity, apply for your trade license, get food safety and municipality approvals, get civil defense and EHS approvals, process your investor or partner visa, open your business bank account, register for corporate tax and VAT, launch operations, hire staff, start marketing, and set up delivery partnership. And that's it! Your restaurant or cafe is ready to welcome customers across the UAE. If this sounds like the right business for you, we're here to help. We've helped more than 25,000 entrepreneurs start their businesses in the UAE for over the past 10 years. Fill out the form in the description and let's get started.